L-iskandlu tal-Panama Papers, il-kumpanija 17 Black, il-beħ tal-passaporti, Henley & Partners, ir-rapporti tal-FIU, Konrad Mizzi, Keith Schembri. Dawn huma temi li dwarhom kien mistoqsi l-Ministru Owen Bonnici waqt dibattitu fil-Parlament Ewropew dwar Malta. Mistoqsijiet li iżda baqgħu bla tweġiba għaliex il-Ministru Bonnici minflok baqa' jinsisti li f'Malta ma jeżistux problemi, kif irrimarka l-MP Svediż Gunnar Hökmark.
Don't you, Mr. Minister, see there is a problem? Isn't there a problem from Malta regarding money laundering, golden visas, black economy, tax evasion? Aren't there any problems? Is that your message here?
Fid-dibattitu ħadu semi 3 MPs tal-Partit Nazzjonalista David Casa, Roberta Mezzola u Francis Zamidimek li ddefendew il-valuri tal-poplu Malti wawċi u ħeġġew lill-ġurnalisti biex ikomplu b'xogħolhom. Mod partikolari David Casa rrefera r-rapport tal-FIU li jinsisti li tieħdu passi kontra Konrad Mizzi.
Dan il-leak f'dan id-dokument tal-FIU fil-konklużjonijiet tiegħu kien hemm li l-Ministru Konrad Mizzi għandu jitressaq quddiem il-ġustizzja. U minkejja dan id-dokument uffiċjali tal-FIU, il-Pulizija baqgħet ma għamlet xejn.
Owen Bonnici baqa' jinsisti li l-istituzzjonijiet f'Malta jaħdmu kif suppost, iżda pront kien l-MEP Ġermaniż Wolf Klinz li wieġbu.
Whether you may have your laws and your judiciary system, etc., but once the virus is in that system, you do not have an interest to really clarify it as the way you should do.
Fl-istess dibattitu ħadu sem il-ġurnalista ta' Daphne Project Stephen Gray u Matthew Caruana Galizia b'dan tal-aħħar jgħid li hu kien jemmen li meta ġew żvelati il-Panama Papers kienu se jittieħdu passi kontra Konrad Mizzi u Keith Schembri.
I was convinced that these two people, the minister's colleagues, Keith Schembri and Konrad Mizzi, were going to go straight to jail. I honestly believed that the following day there would be police on their doorstep to arrest them.
Tema li irreferew għaliha wkoll l-MP Portugiża Anna Gomes u l-MP Ġermaniż Sven Giegold.
They are still in the government. How can that be compliant with the rule of the law and indeed the fight against corruption?
After all these revelations, normally in most European countries, I would say in all, it would be impossible that with non-refuted allegations of that nature, a minister can stay in office.